Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Toyota Harrier. It has 78,055 miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.2 liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. Comes with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on. They do go away, so you know we have not punched them out. The number that y'all are seeing down here, 125,618. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 78,055. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We will start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.